I created GBPs for multiple countries, like, for example, SU services in Pakistan, MIR technical services in Dubai, and another partial match domain. And there is HO5, which is also US based. So, for those who don't know me, my name is Kashif M. Aslam, and you can follow me here. If you have any questions, you can join my group and ask anything you would like. So, let's get started. First of all, before creating Google business profiles, you have to understand how Google trusts person, or how it trusts our actions. First of all, your Gmail account's age. It should be aged at least 6 months, and after that, there is behavior history. For example, if you have created a Gmail account and you start creating new business profiles, Google business profiles, it won't work. So you have to build some history on sites like YouTube, and start leaving feedback reviews on different businesses. And after that, there is IP reputation. Your IP should be unique and should not have been used in any kind of negative or spammy activity. Sometimes Google blocks the IP, and they won't even tell you if that happens. So after that, there is device trust. Google, especially with Chrome, they can track the device as well. If someone trying to create a business profile from the same device, but by changing VPN or IP, they understand this issue as well. After that, there is entity consistency. For example, if you create a citation or a website of your own, make sure you use your entity, whatever the business's name is, use that entity consistently everywhere, whether it is website footer or anywhere else. For creating citations, make sure you have exact NAP match. What does NAP mean? NAP means name of the business, address of the business, and phone number. And if possible, add the website as well. After that, create on multiple maps, like Apple Maps being places Yelp, and create 15 to 30 listings. You can also buy these citations as well, but make sure they are, following the exact NAP match and they are of highest quality. So let's discuss the first method. That's how I created GBP for Dubai with the name of MIR Technical Services. First of all, um, this is best for new local businesses and businesses with low competition, and people who have clean IP environments. They don't usually spam from their PC. Step one is you use Edge Gmail, either create the Gmail or get a Edge Gmail from somewhere else. After that, ensure your citations are live and indexed. After that, open Google Maps, select your location, and right click on maps, and you can click on add missing place and enter exact your map details which you have created citations here as we discussed. Enter name, address, phone number, website exactly as you mentioned in other citations, then submit. 90% of the time it approves your change and add that missing place. After that, you can actually claim that Google business listing, and most likely Google would verify it by your website or your phone number. Why this works? Because you already have pre-built entity signals, which means you basically have told Google that you are actual entity, you are actual business, and you are a serious person when it comes to your business. So after that, there is account trust present, and the Google won't be flagging you, and it does show a natural submission pattern. There is a risk fresh email could fail, and if you don't have citations, it would be failed. And let's discuss the second method. It is best for agencies and people who have IP flag issues. And repeated video verification means these guys have faced repeated video verification multi times. So in this method, step one is you prepare a clean entity data, like I said in the first method. After that, you use an API service provider like Relate Local to create citations and create the Google Business Profile. As you can see, Relate Local offers 40 plus listings on multiple maps like Bing Maps, Apple Maps, and Google Map as well. So you can create from here, so you won't have any kind of map issue. Why this works? It reduces manual friction. Basically, you don't have to do anything manual, and it won't flag your IP. And basically, it saves you from going to the manual dashboard triggers. So there are some limits, like it doesn't fix your bad signals if you have not followed the exact citations. It is highly likely it won't create the GBP. And the other limit, it definitely NAP consistency. Um, Basically same thing, but make sure when it comes to the NAP, it is used everywhere exactly with name, address, and phone number. Don't change even a comma. Keep it exact. Third method is, that's how I created SEO services GBP in Pakistan. It's best for service area businesses. This method is multi-location chains, and it's high verification. This method is best for service area businesses, multi-location chains, and high verification. It's niches like plumbers, roofers. They usually get suspended after a while, but this method makes sure it doesn't. So in this, basically, you use your aged Gmail account and you go to that physical location where you want to create a business and connect to local internet, and then you create a GBP on site while standing on that location. And I think you understand everything. Other than that, if you have any question, you can always ask me in the group. So to avoid video verifications, you make sure your Gmail is aged enough and your IP is clean. Make sure you are not using any kind of VPN. There is a stable account behavior, no bulk creations. And if you are an agency, you have to create a Gmail pool where you manage them exactly and safely. You track IP logs and separate each device, and maintain the creating pacing between 2 or 3 per week, and document every entity so you don't mess up your NAP. Once you get approved, after that, make sure you are gradually making changes on your GBP. Don't start changing everything right at the same time. When you created the profile, start adding real photos, like 1 or 2 per week maximum. Don't overdo it, and fill out every detail in that business profile. List all your services and build reviews, build local businesses. Make sure your GPP is relevant and within that proximity area, and it is prominent enough. All right, thanks for watching. I have created document where I have listed all these methods with details, as you can see here. So if anyone wants that guide in a document, comment guide, and I will send you the document. And if you have any questions, you can always join my group called Learn with Kashif Aslam, which is shorter for KMA. Search this on Facebook. Try to join this group, and I will share everything here. Whatever I'm learning, I will make sure I share it here. So thank